Okay. I like your style. Conversation 4 in lecture 6. Hey, I like your shirt.
Jack, thanks, it's new. I got it last week.
Did you get anything else?
No, just the shirt.
Where did you get it?
I got it from the weekend market.
How much did it cost?
It cost about $12.
Really? That's not too much at all.
It's a good price.
Do you like to wear hats?
Yeah, I like to wear hats, but only in the winter time when it's cold.
Do you like to wear jewelry?
I just have this necklace that my girlfriend gave to me.
What do you think about fashion?
I think it's important to be a fashion,
To be in fashion. Do you
to
have
be
a
in fashion.
do you have a pierced hair?
No, I don't have a pierced ear.
Do you have a tattoo?
Yes, I do.
What is the tattoo of?
It's a book. It's a big, bully, scary monster.
Really? Wow, can I see it?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, here is my tattoo.
Wow, great. So now, who is ready?